Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add a sleek desktop clock widget like this step by step. First of all, open up your favorite browser and head over to rainmeter.net. Don't worry, I will drop the link in the video description for you. Once you are there, just hit the download button. Rainmeter is pretty lightweight, so the download should be quick. After downloading, simply click on the Rainmeter setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. It's a breeze to install, just a couple of clicks and you are good to go. Now, you might notice some default widgets pop up after installation. No worries, we will get rid of those. Just right-click on them and choose Unload Skin. Do this for each widget until your desktop is clean. Next, let's get a stylish clock skin. Head over to visualskins.com and come down to find Rainmeter clocks. Pick one that catches your eye. I am going for a simple and elegant design today. Once you have found your clock, hit download and install it. Now comes the fun part. Go to your taskbar and find the Rainmeter icon here, then double-click it. From there, click the little arrow and choose your clock skin, dark or light, depending on your desktop wallpaper. I'm going with the light one today. Once selected, click Load and voila! Your new clock should appear on your desktop. Feel free to move it around and place it wherever you like. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one.